Oh, look at the colorful box.
Yeah.
We're unboxing the giveaway from Arna Alayne. She did one before Christmas, and my mom was the one who won.
Woohoo!
And we don't really remember what's inside here.
I have no clue what's inside.
This is a Mecca box. Mecca is kind of like a Sephora in Australia. It's a really cool box.
Beauty. Here we go. Oh, we have a card.
A sunflower. That's Arna's sunflower.
Dear Lise and Leanna, thank you once again for contributing to the Arna Awards charity drive for Hope for the Children New Zealand. Hope you love your goodies. Best wishes, Arna. Kiss, kiss.
Thank you, Arna.
Now, what do we have? Take things out one at a time. Oops, a whole bunch of stuff here.
Wow. But she wrapped it up really nicely.
Very well packaged.
Well, that way nothing's going to break, hopefully. Because makeup is delicate.
Well, it all looks intact.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this? Mecca Max. That's an Australian brand.
Skin Halo Diamond Dust Next Level Illuminating Powder.
Oh. Could be a highlighter, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
pretty.
It's got a beautiful wave pattern in there. That's really nice.
Very nice. Hourglass.
Hourglass.
Ambient Lighting Blush.
Oh, wow. We've never tried Hourglass because they're expensive. Oh, wow.
Oh, pretty.
It's so luxe. So luxe, we can't get into what it's saying. You're not worthy. You're not worthy.
Oh my
cool.
goodness, is that ever pretty?
That's beautiful.
Oh, that's lovely.
Marbleized finish. It's sort of like a plummy sort of color.
And maybe like a dusty rose almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one I recognize. This is the Benefit Hoola Light Boxed Bronzer.
Oh my goodness.
Open it up. It's got a little brush and it's got a bronzer in there. This is the light version. They just came out with a deep version.
Yeah. I would say this is a Leanna shade.
That's probably a Leanna shade.
Because that's a little pale for
Yeah.
Leanna's mom.
Yeah, a little pale for mom.
Wow, that's really nice.
XO Beauty. This is a beauty brand by Shan XO, a YouTuber in Australia.
Radiant Glow Highlight Powder. Another highlighter. Another
Oh, it's so shiny.
glittery package.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's nice. So I guess one highlighter for you, one for me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, be quiet, please. It's being silly.
There's a little itty bitty one. That's probably an eyeshadow in there.
First unboxing video.
Me too.
How exciting.
My brother always makes fun of me when I get mail. I should make an unboxing video. Well, Nick, I'm finally doing it.
We're doing it. Oh, wow.
Oh, this is Australis, another Australian brand, and this is a really glittery eyeshadow. Looks like it's gold.
Metallic.
Yeah, really metallic.
Oops. Hold on.
Oh, wow. It's so shiny. I gotta touch it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It feels wet.
Oh, it does. Oh my goodness, is that ever beautiful? Wow, is that nice? Isn't that? I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah. It's very sparkly. There's so much.
We are lucky girls.
We're spoiled.
Of course, who says I'm really going to share with you?
She's going to keep it all to herself. She's the one who won, technically, so.
Yeah, I would never do that. There's plenty here for two people. Australis Powder Bronzer. This can be put inside
a palette.
palette.
Oh,
So
I would use that as like an eyeshadow. It's shimmery.
you could do that. That would be just beautiful. Just really just spread lightly around your face.
Yeah, that would look nice in the summertime.
Yeah. Just give a really nice little glow.
Yeah.
Oh, a couple more things here. We have a Rimmel Maxi blush.
That's a beautiful color. That's
nice
a very,
color.
very pale shade, kind of a... Yeah, that's another kind of dusty shade.
Yeah. Kind of a warm rose, I guess you would say.
Yeah.
What's it called? It's called Exposed. Well, and a Rimmel eyeshadow. Or is it? Yeah, Magnify Eyes. All about the base.
I think she uses that as a contour sometimes.
Arna?
Yeah. Because it's kind of a taupey color. And it's a matte.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I could understand.
Yeah.
And it's a big pan of it. So.
Yeah.
It would look nice all over the lid or in the crease or you broke it. You broke it.
Well, I do things like that. It's who I am.
Oh, I think I know what that is. I think that's an Essence palette.
Yeah, you're right.
Those are some of her favorite single eyeshadows that she uses. Some of them she uses as highlighter as well.
Oh, I could see that, yeah.
So we've got sort of, it's like a very pale gold, white shade, a pale apricot. I think it's called apricot, possibly. And then a very pale pink.
Really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
all
could
shimmer.
use that for highlighter or eyeshadow.
Yeah. See, Essence doesn't really have custom palettes like this here in Canada. Not that I've seen.
Ooh, we have an hourglass.
Oh, she threw this in for me.
Oh, this one's yours.
This is the
Very
palest shade of their Vanish Stick Foundation. It's called Blanc. And I know a lot of people actually wanted me to review this.
Oh.
Too.
Yeah, that's you.
It's pale.
Wow. Everything is so pretty. The
yeah.
packaging. Who said I was sharing anything with you?
Well, that's why she had to throw that in case you didn't.
In case I hogged everything.
That way, you can't hog that one. It's way too pale for you.
I'm trying to do this so we don't see stuff before I take it out.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Smashbox.
Holidays Be Legendary lipstick.
5 lipsticks and an Instamatte lipstick transformer. So I'm guessing if you put that on top of lipstick, it would make any lipstick matte. Oh, they're little guys.
It says they're full-size lipsticks.
Oh, really? Oh my gosh, they are.
So cool. Look at that.
That's so neat.
So we have Deal Breaker. That's
beautiful. Like a dark
plum
plum berry. Yeah. Beautiful. They even have a print in the lipstick, kind of a swirl.
Oh,
that's like a nice nude. Beautiful.
Oh, it's lovely.
This one's a little bit more
this is mine.
Of a beige. Yeah, that's my mom's color. It's like a
sure.
caramel toffee sort of color. And there's a red.
Beautiful red.
Garnet sort of color. And this is the little...
There's one more.
Oh, there's one more? Yeah. And that's more of like a cherry.
Cool toned red.
Yeah, more of a cherry. Yeah. And then this is the Instamatte Lipstick Transformer. And it says, tap on with finger over cream lipstick. FYI, not for use with glosses, lacquers, or balms.
We're still going.
Yeah.
We have
Models Prefer
Professional Mineral Finishing Veil.
And a loose powder. Oh, that's a cool container.
It is. Well, anyway, it's a
loose powder.
We have an e.l.f. matte lip color in natural.
Oops. I think you opened up the wrong
Of course I did.
end.
Unboxing is not my specialty.
That's another nude color.
Yeah, kind of is beigey.
Yeah, beige color. Don't know. Oh, no, it says it was a matte color. Yeah.
Yeah. We have L'Oreal Magic Gloomy Light Infusing Primer.
That's
Very nice.
yeah, highlighting primer.
I just bought myself a Revlon highlighting primer, so I guess I could give you that one. We have NARS.
My NARS mascara.
Oh,
Climax.
of course.
Because their blush is called Orgasm, that one is Climax.
Silly people. Few things.
Another NARS.
Another NARS, a Power Matte Lip Pigment in Star Woman.
I think this is a liquid lipstick.
Oh,
Oh,
it
yes.
looks like a little red.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Bright
Yeah,
red.
really bright red. We have here Terry.
Oh, that's
Lip
expensive.
care.
That's
Sorry,
expensive.
Leanna, this
Yeah.
is mine.
That's expensive right there.
I have so much trouble with my lips right now that...
Yeah, my lips are in better shape than hers. That's the Baume de Rose, I think it's called.
Oh.
It's expensive, Mama.
Well, I'll open it
Yeah.
later. We have more red. Estila.
I bet ya that's the one I have.
Stay all day
In
liquid
it's
lipstick.
probably in Beso, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a really pretty red. I got that in a Christmas set.
Oh, we use
We
this.
use this. Yep.
Well, I stole one from you, so I guess you could have that.
Yeah, we both use that. The Essence Make Me Brow.
Oh,
That's
there's
another shade.
one.
It's a different shade.
That might be
Better for
even
you,
better
actually.
for me
Yeah.
with my gray hair.
You do not have gray hair,
I
do
do
you?
so. We have a
Benefit Roller
Roller Lash.
That's a mascara.
Mascara.
That one has a curvy wand.
Oh, yeah. One NARS mascara, one Benefit
Yeah.
mascara. We'll have to fight over them.
Yeah. And this one looks like it's a full size. It's so light.
And last but not least, we have a
Tatcha.
Tatcha, the Silk Canvas.
That's a primer.
Is it?
Yeah. I've heard it has a scent, so might not be something I can use.
How much of a scent?
For me, it probably would
Is
be.
it?
So that might end up being yours. A lot of people love that, though.
Yeah, I think it's nice. And that's it. Look at all.
Wow. Friends, look at all of this.
We are two lucky ladies.
We ended up with a lot. And I just realized the whole time I was filming in straight up and down portrait mode instead of filming this way like I normally do. Oh well.
Thank you,
It'll still
Arna.
work. Thank you so much, Arna. We love you.
Love you.
Wow. So I guess next up we're gonna have to split it. And then I can and then I can do a video with some of the stuff that I have. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.